Hello YouTube, and welcome friends! In today's video, we will learn how to solve the problem of green screen or Ultra key in Premiere Pro. So I have a video clip here from which I want to remove the green screen. And to remove it, I drag and drop the Ultra key onto the clip. And then when I remove the green screen gets removed, but an orange box comes in its place. So to remove that box, you have to go to Sequence option, then select Sequence Settings. From there, go to Working Color Space and select Rec 709. Then go to Preview File Format and select One Frame Only MPEG. And then click on OK. Then you will find that your problem has been solved and the green screen has also been removed.